Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, but I'm happy to be back and hopefully I won't go MIA again, missing in action. So today I would like to talk about 5 of my favorite hair products. I like to explore different types of products. I am just like obsessed. That's a strong word, but I just love to try new ones. I feel like after a while, like if we put the same ones, if it's working, go ahead. But if we put the same ones, this is my viewpoint. If we put the same ones for a long, long time, I feel like after a while, your hair stops reacting to it. And mainly I feel like that about like deep conditioners. That's something that I always like to switch it up after a while. So yeah, I have 5 recommendations for you. Of course, I can do a part 2 later on about this because I explore so many that I'm always switching. But then there's some ones that I'm forever going to be loyal to. So with that being said, forever being loyal to. Okay, so that is the deciding factor of how to start this. Shea Moisture. I have always been loyal to you. So I have 2 products to show by Shea Moisture. I have this one, the Strengthen and Restore Styling Lotion. I love it, and you can see that I love it because look at what's left. I just shook it, but that's what's left. Look. Only that is so sad. Yeah, I got this at Ross. So it's way cheaper than other places that sell it. If you don't have a Ross around you, you can check TJ Maxx or Marshalls for it. I love that price compared to what I always used to pay for Shea Moisture products. So I used to always pay like double than that price. And I'm like, oh no, being a curly girl is a big sacrifice because these products are very expensive because I used to use like all their products. So imagine $14 for their shampoo, their conditioner, their styling product, their gel, their this, their that. It adds up, honey. It adds up. And their deep conditioner. So with that being said, deep conditioner, this one I love, love, love. Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. I love this one a lot. It has shea butter, Jamaican black castor oil, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. All of those ingredients for the hair are amazing, are definitely approved and amazing. They have a lot of good ingredients in their products, so I've always been a fan of Shea Moisture. So next, I want to talk about my edge control gel. So this is the edge booster. It says stronghold water-based pomade, and it's pineapple scents. It is pineapple scents, and they're not lying. You know how when some products say like, pineapple or strawberry or whatever, and it don't really smell like that, or it gives you like a fake type of smell. No, this smells like pineapple. Like, growing up, the pineapple soda, that's like the smell that it gives. And it's long lasting hold. Like, they're not lying about that. Because there's times that I do my baby hairs, and then the day after, I'm like, I don't even feel like I have to touch it again. Like I feel like I could walk out like this. So I did these quick today. I did it really quick. I didn't leave like the band that I usually use to like hold it for a very long time because I wanted to do the video, but next time I'll show you like how it really looks. Because I don't know if you could get the full picture with how I did it. No, I feel like when I do it the right way and I put the band for like a period of time to hold it, it looks like very like, like very structured, like, but I'll do it good for y'all next time, okay? So the other 2 products that I want to talk about today is this one. So this product and the next one, I was actually introduced to it last year. So 2023, and it was off of a TikTok experience. So these products I was introduced to last year, but I am always going to have these products in my routine. Always. Like, I'm serious about that. So is Isoplus Hot Curler Thermal Spray. It says reversion resistant shine hold body volume finishing spray. There's something I want to tell you. Right here, and it doesn't lie. Finish the hairstyle with this reversion resistant pump holding spray to achieve longer lasting, firm, crisp curls with greater shine, body, and volume. Achieve a salon smooth finish for hair that lasts. This right here has upgraded my twist outs, and it has upgraded like when I do the curly rod sets, like the rollers, and I take it down, it has upgraded, because when it says that it gives you a final salon touch to your hair, it really does that. And I'm gonna show y'all next time how it does that for me and how I'm so thankful about it. So that with this that I'm about to tell you is Vigorol Mousse Curls, and it says super hold enriched with argan oil. So it says creates super silky shiny curls, eliminates frizz. So it definitely gives you shiny curls, and it helps you with the hold that you're trying to achieve with different hairstyles with your natural hair. So that the last ingredient and the other one, the finishing spray and the mousse, it does good to my hair. It really does good to my hair. And eliminating frizz, that's a beautiful thing, especially to curly hair. I feel like our hair is attracted to frizz, for better words. So I love all these products that I just showed you. And I hope that at least one product can help you in your natural hair journey. I hope all of them can help you eventually, but I hope that something that I said today was very helpful in your natural hair journey. I know that it's challenging, it's frustrating sometimes. It's like, oh, what should I do? What hairstyle? What, like what products? Like, how do I know if the product is working? Like, I need a better product. Where to get it from? There's a lot of questions when you're in a natural hair journey. But I'm definitely here to help you. And I'm very, very passionate about hair. And I am definitely willing to share with you like what I have learned throughout the years and what I have researched and what have worked for me. So yes. I hope that you enjoyed the video. And I want to show you my shirt before I go. Good vibes only. I love this shirt. And it's from Puerto Rico, which makes it extra special. But yes, I hope you like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yes. Talk to you soon.